vlog. What we're doing is, we just wanted to update you guys. What we're doing pretty much is we're making songs right now. We already have 4 song ideas within 1 week. So, and we already have one basically rehearsed and ready for recording tomorrow. So
we have so much material to get out to you guys. We have song ideas, album cover ideas, album name ideas, music video ideas. We have so much stuff, and we are busy bees right now.
And just like another thing is, we just want to show you like everything like behind the scenes, a little day in the life every once in a while. Because if you ask our friends, and you know our friends, we're crazy people. We're weird. We're just, I'm just gonna say it, batshit crazy.
So we just want to show you a little bit of how we click, what we do to get our stuff done, how we write songs, and just everything we do, basically.
Pretty much. So, yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed the montage here, or enjoyed the montage, and you enjoy the rest of the vlog. So,
yeah. So Michael, what are you doing right now?
I'm making a drum part.
Why are you making a drum part?
Because we don't have a drummer.
Oh, right. Yeah, we have to use electronic drums for everything because we're stupid.
Yeah. We're freaking noobs.
We got far though.
Yeah.
We're almost done.
It's been 12 years. No, 13 years in Azkaban. What?
13 years. We're dorks.
We're writing drum parts. This is what happens when you don't have a drummer. This is like basically a drum machine. So this is what it sounds like everybody. Look at that. I just created a masterpiece with 7 notes. That's what it sounds like. I bet I'm so interesting on camera. Leave a comment down below if you think I'm interesting. And they're just sitting back there laughing like, yeah, right. You wish.
So this is our setup. We got a box to plug into the computer, our guitars and mics. We use GarageBand to get all our recordings down. And if all goes well, we are recording the chorus of our song today. So that should be fun. Hopefully we get that out to you guys later in the week. Probably next week because we're lazy. Who knows? He left me here, feeling like a failure. He left me here. I had to leave before he corrupted me more. So Michael, what did we just get done doing? I don't think you just got done with our song.
It sounds so good. It sounds like best quality we've ever
We just got done. recording the entirety of our song. And here it is in its entirety. We are so flippin' excited to share this with you guys. I don't know when you're gonna see it. I don't know when you're gonna see this vlog. Probably Friday, maybe.
Yeah.
But yeah, I will put up a very crappy version of the chorus of this song up sometime. It's really crappy compared to what we just recorded, and we're not gonna play any of it. But yeah, and we recorded a bunch of the process. Mostly, well, it was all Michael in front of the camera because for some reason he didn't record me.
Yeah,
so.
I know. I'm sorry. I like taking all the limelight.
So yeah,
I'm just kidding. I hate cameras.
you're editing this vlog.
Yep. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to work on that one song I was talking about. You know the name, the one I call Alan.
Yeah.
The funny thing though, you think it would be a love song, but it's not really a love song. It's more of a please don't hurt me type of song. Why are you laughing?
You're silly.